You are welcome to another session of a $5 to mega account trading challenge. This is another session of this trading challenge. If you've been following our series, you know that we started this account from 5 USD. The essence of this trading challenge is to build confidence in you that you need not a big fund to make it in trading binary option. You need not a big fund, a big portfolio to make it. You can start with something as small as $5. So this trading challenge is to show you using a live trading session. We started from $5. You can check our previous videos where we started from. You can see this is a live account. The $5 has grown to $37.48. If you want to confirm, I want to show you, look at this. You see, this is the same account, CR4183164. We started this account with 5 USD. You can check our $5 to mega account trading session part 1. You see part 2, you see part 3. We are still going. We are still growing this account, just like I told you that you can grow an account from 5 USD to something very remarkable. And that's what we are trying to prove in this trading challenge. We are now at $37.48 account balance, and we are still growing. We'll still continue to grow. All right. So back to today's trading. We hope that the market will be favorable today. If the market is favorable, we are going to do something, make something good out of this trading today. So let's journey together. Okay. Now we are still using scale 3. Scale 3. The total risk is 5 USD. Scale 1, the total risk was $2.45. For the scale 2, the total risk was we were using was $3.50. And in this scale 3, the total risk, trading risk, is 5 USD of your portfolio. And this 5 USD we spread across 5 trading stages according to Martingale's strategy. Our stage 1, our stake for stage 1 is 50 cents, while for the stage 2 is $1.50. Stage 3 is $3. Stage 4 and 5, which are the recovery stages, are also $3 each. And at 50 cents, our take profit is between 35 cents and 40 cents. If you just see 35 cents early before the expiration of the contract, we can sell at market and closing our profits. If we see a loss up to the tune of 21 cents, we cut the loss short at 21 cents. That's our stop loss for stage 1. Then at $1.50, our stop loss is 64 cents, while our take profit is between $1.05 and $1.20. We see our profit comes in early before the expiration of the trade contract, we close it there. Then for the third stage, for the $3 trading stake, our stop loss is at $1.28, while our take profit is around $2.20 or $2.40. If you see it come early, you close in the profit. All right, having understood that, let's move on. We start from the stage one, which is 50 cents. Okay, now let's see how the market looks like today. Okay, this is remember, we trade out of all this market. We trade only 7 markets. This is binary options trading, and I'm trading on derived and synthetic indices. Derived or synthetic indices, and all these are derived and synthetic indices, but I focus on daily reset indices, which are bear market index and bull market index. Then I come down to continuous indices, where I focus on the volatility 10 index, 25 index, 50, 75, and 100. And mind you, I'm only trading the ones that does not carry one ace. You see, these ones that carry one ace, they are perhaps too fast for my strategy, so I don't trade those ones. I only trade the ones without the one ace. So follow me as I journey through this trading session today. Okay, let me start from 100 index. I first of all check the chart. I think it's giving me a signal that aligns with my strategy, that I wanted the candle to be steady in its direction. I've placed the trade and now click on view. I want to see the progress of my trade. Down here, when it's going in my favor, you see green showing at this potential profit or loss. When it's going against me, you see red showing. Is there I'm looking at where I can sell at market. You are allowed to sell at market to close your trade before the expiration of the contract. But when it is beyond or below 14 seconds, you can no longer sell at the market. You have to wait till the trade contract expires. Now see this trade, we have been able to lock in a profit at 40 cents. You see $90, 90 cent USD payout, and our net profit is 40 cents, and that has been added to our portfolio. So when you have a success, you still remain, if you were at the starting, this stage one, you still remain there. Or if you have a loss, you move to the next stage. Whenever you have profit or successful trade, you return to stage one. If you are at stage one and you have a successful trade, you still remain at stage one. That's how we do it. Okay, seems and this signal is still holding. Let me see. Things no more holding. And I'm checking other market, 75 index. We are trading 1 minute interval. We are in a 1 minute trading interval, short time frame trading. So you need to select a trend that is smooth and well trending, so that it will not swindle you when you place your trade. All right. We keep selecting the markets because we are looking for something good. I see a retracement. So I want to check with the candlestick. No. This market is not favorable. You see many of the candles with long wick. When you see long wicks like that, it means at each of these 1 minute, because these are 1 minute candles, it means that at each 1 minute the market is really fluctuating. That's why you see those long candles showing high and lows. All right, it shows that that particular market is not favorable. So you check another market. This one seems to be retracing, but we need to see a clear picture with candlestick and Bollinger Band of this bear market. Daily reset, it has been reset for the day around 1 a.m. So we will not trade, we allowed it to accumulate well enough data so that we can see a good chart. So we will not be trading bear and bull for some time now, for some minutes, let the market really build up. So we'll be trading the remaining 5, 10 index, 25, 50, 75, and 100 index. This is 100 index. I load my settings. It seems to still go down, that is selling, and the candles are smooth enough, so I place that trade because I believe it will give me a high probability of success. I check my trade and it's running. You see the dotted line, that's the entry spot from the red, drawing a barrier line. That barrier line is the line that will be used to judge the trade outcome. When payout is below 14 seconds, so we can't sell at market again. We have to wait till finishing or completion of the trade contract, which has happened now. You see, we have that contract result ends us in a profit because the success. You see, we traded to win a payout of 96 USD if volatility 100 index is lower than or equal to entry spot at 1 minute after contract start time. All right, you see, and that ended to our favor. Our portfolio is increasing. Our portfolio is now $38.34. We are growing from penny to fortune. Okay, I see another signal. I place a trade. When it's going up, when you see a bullish signal and you believe from your analysis and observation that it will continue in that direction, you punch the green button. That's a buy button. But if it's going down, you punch the red button, which means sell. Our trade is running. It's now entering against me. It's up to my stop loss. I now close it, but network is not allowing me to close it well, and it's beyond my control now because it's below 14 seconds. So I just hope it ends in my favor, but if it doesn't, we move to another trade. But hopefully it has ended in our favor, in my favor. So I have a profit of 46 cents here, and it's added to my portfolio. I still stand at 50 cents trade contract. You can build a remarkable portfolio from something as small as I will soon post a video that I covered. Someone was doubting that one cannot build an account from $1 or less than $5. I have a video. I built an account from $1.53. I will soon post it on my YouTube channel. So you keep following this channel, you will see amazing things, amazing trading sessions.